Disney is on our screen. What is it called? Co-browsing?
Yeah.
Co-browsing it. So she's navigating it and helping us.
Already.
Oh man. There. Agent is typing. Finally. What are we supposed to do? It's like navigating, but oh, there it is.
Okay, there we go.
This is our profile picture, of course, the one and only Goofy. Let's go! So, I'm so excited to be going. Roger has been he's had like a little bit of a crazy week, and he's been really tired. So the fact that he even decided to go, I'm super grateful for. And I can't wait. I mean, I know it's different. We're in these crazy times, so I don't know what to expect, but you know, I'd rather go and take the measures that we need to take. So, you know, wearing your face mask, disinfecting all the time, and keeping the distance. You know, because I don't know. Everyone has their opinions, of course, so it's okay. We are just doing what we want in a safe and very careful way. We did think about it a lot, and yeah, we're just doing the best we can, you know, living one day at a time. And yeah, it looks like it's gonna be like a really nice, beautiful weekend, and we're both off from work, so we said why not. We were gonna wait till September to go to Disney, but why wait if you can do it now, right? I know they're open for a reason. We've all been waiting quite a while, so yes, these aren't even my real glasses. Like, they're not prescription. I'm wearing my contacts, but I wear these to protect when I'm on the computer, and at the same time they're a little bit cute, so figured let me use them. But yeah, see you in a bit.
What's going on? Going to Disney World. Actually going to Epcot. So I wanted to go, but I've been getting too much rest lately, so hopefully I can sleep on the way to the park. I got off work last night at 2 a.m. went to sleep like at 4 a.m. So yeah, and I just need to get some rest here, but I'm doing this because baby girl wants to go to Epcot, or Disney rather, so if I get some rest, I'll be good. So I'm just going to eat something now, take some melatonin so I can kind of like snooze throughout the drive to Epcot. Why I keep saying Epcot? We are going to Epcot, but it's going to be tomorrow. Today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. Today we're going to be arriving to Pop Century, Disney Resort, Valley Resort Pop Century, and that's where we're going today. So once we arrive, get settled in and sleep some, and then tomorrow morning 11 a.m. Epcot, baby.
Hold on.
So
Hey,
what is it that you forgot?
my razor.
For what?
Because I need to shave my legs.
And why didn't you do that earlier?
Because I didn't know. I thought we were gonna be home all weekend by now. It's not an excuse, ladies.
Just kidding.
That's funny.
Have multiple masks in a car, you want to start with this area right here on the window, the rear view mirror, I mean, we have two hanging from there, from the little area right there. You can actually hang another one on this end and another one on that end.
But they fall. Alright, we made it, guys. We're actually on this building over here, babe. Building 10. The disco decade is where we're at. What year is that, babe? The 70s?
I thought it was at the Rubik's Cube.
Dance hits of the 70s. No, what the cast member said, that to use the Rubik's Cube as a reference to know where we're going. Where to park. Hippy Dippy Pool is obviously closed, right?
I just want to say real quick, this is a PA announcement. Everybody. PA announcement, sorry. This is a PA, a PS.
Public service announcement?
Yeah.
No, it's just a PA.
This is a PSA really quick, okay? Wear your freaking mask, man. It ain't that difficult. Just wear your mask.
I know it's hot, but we're doing it.
Unbelievable, what?
Bugs.
Like, I get it. Like, for some people it might be a little bit more difficult than others, but think about others. Think about yourself, but think about others too.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, 460. Which way? This way. Okay, let me just say, 4 flights of stairs and I'm out of breath. That's ridiculous. Okay? But anyway, let's get to our room. I'm curious to see what they're doing in the rooms, to make us feel safe. So let's see what they're doing. We literally got the last room, babe. It's fine, because social distancing, right? So the other rooms near us look empty as heck anyway. So let's get inside.
Bit of a Samsung thing. Whoa.
Wow, nice. This is one of, did they remodel these? Or is this just a nicer place than we've stayed at?
I don't know, but I've never.
And it smells like freshly painted.
Hop Century Resort is the nicest of all the Valley resorts.
Wow.
They're all pretty fun, but this is the nicest one. This is the first time that I stay here, and it officially, completely and utterly completes my stay at all the Valley resorts. This was the last one that I needed.
This is my third one, but so far it's the one that looks. It looks like a little efficiency, like a little studio.
Yeah.
But it's so nice. So we have to. I have to pee really quick. And then we'll do a room tour. Bye.
What's going on, guys? So right here, we're in the middle of the foosball field. This is a foosball field, the giant foosball men.
And a giant foosball ball.
What's going on, man? It's about the red team, not the blue team. The red team. Red team, boy. Red team. Red team.
Alright, so what's this guy?
What do you mean, what's this guy?
Who is he?
He's the goalie.
Right, who are these two?
I don't know.
The defenders.
This is not my
Who
sport.
are these the good ones?
Midfielders.
And the front two?
What front two? They're all on the same line.
No, there's 3 in the front.
What do you mean?
There's 3 more. Yeah, but up there.
Oh,
Starts with an F.
with the what?
They're forward.
Forward. And here's the ball. Ready? Big Mickey right there. Big awesome Mickey.
On the telephone. On the old school telephone.
Very cool.
It's funny because you know what I saw?
What? Did you see?
What?
Did you see?
I have to show you. Here. Let me show
What
you.
are you doing this for?
I saw a TikTok that the girl was going up to like her sisters and obviously some of them were born in the 90s. And she goes, hey, pretend like you're on a phone call, pretend like you're on a phone call, like you're calling someone. So she goes to the first two sisters and they both go like this, right? And then she goes to the last sister that was probably born in the 2000s, later 2000s, and she's like, pretend like you're on a phone call, like what would you do, what was the hand motion you do if you were on a phone call? And the little girl goes like this. So I thought that was kind of funny.
It's funny.
Looking at this being the old school phone.
So far, this has been the coolest angle to see Mickey completely from this level on the ground, because here you can see his two eyes plus his nose and everything, but from the angle we just were, from the angle we just were, can't really see one of his eyes.
You check the weather for tomorrow?
No, but it doesn't really matter because Epcot is pretty much all indoors. So, with the exception of Fast Track, which is half indoors, half outdoors. So.
True. We actually filmed a little room tour earlier, so make sure you check that out. Should be up by the time you see this. Really, really nice rooms.
So we're two little princess.
We're going to the lobby or food area, right? Whatever.
And you know where that is?
No. Yeah, right there.
Okay, go ahead.
And here's our friend Goofy. And what is this? The car for?
Dang, this is life-size Goofy. That's how big Goofy would be if he was a legitimate, like real character, like real life character. He would be this tall. I'm 6 foot. That means Goofy with his hat on and everything, because you know he has a little bump on the top of his head.
Yeah.
With his hat on and everything and not slouched, he'd be like 7 feet tall, I think.
Or more.
Dang, look how big his feet are. It's like size 20. Size 20.
Sheesh.
Because he's jogging. Oh, look at the dining room.
So the ones with the things on it, I guess you can't use.
Mmm, smells like pizza. Smells like pizza.
I think it's open. Like, I don't think you can be walking in right now. Oh, I smell it finally.
So yeah, they have these for your health and safety, this table is not available. So they've distanced the tables. It smells like pizza, man. It smells like pizza, y'all. I guess this is a semi-menu. Everything popped. Out of sight souvenirs, cool sodas, rad salads. Okay, salads aren't rad. Pizza with pizzas, tubular t-shirts, real gifts, classic concoctions, far out burgers, shopping and dining. Everything pop shopping and dining. always love these old-fashioned diner music players. You just kind of pick the song and you just play it. That's so dope. Yeah. Unfortunately, the arcade is closed, which stinks.
Beautiful.
We got a jogging path. Disney Skyliner.
Yay! The Disney Skyliner. Where are you at? Right here. Wait. No, that's bus transportation. So where's the Skyliner at?
Down there by 60s.
Oh. Which is where? We're in 70s right here.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, the Disney Art of Animation Resort is the other one that we have to stay at.
Yeah, I
think
saw
it's
it.
also a Body Resort.